Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilham Maulana Gani. You can call me Ilham. I'm from 2 PAI-C. Di sini saya akan membacakan sebuah paragraf dan saya akan menjelaskan paragraf tersebut. Dolphin social behavior. Dolphins are often regarded as one of Earth's most intelligent animals. They are social creatures living in pods of up to a dozen individuals. In place with a high abundance of food, pods can merge temporarily, forming a superpod. Such groupings may exceed 1,000 dolphins. They communicate using a variety of clicks, whistling, like sounds, and other vocalizations. Explanation: the paragraph describes the social behavior of dolphins. It explains the dolphins are considered one of the smartest animals on Earth. They live in social groups called pods, which usually consist of up to 12 dolphins. In areas where food is plentiful, the pods can come together temporarily to form much larger groups known as superpods, which can contain more than 1,000 dolphins. Dolphins communicate with each other through various sounds, including clicks, whistles, and other vocalizations. Paragraf tersebut menjelaskan tentang perilaku sosial lumba-lumba. Lumba-lumba dianggap sebagai salah satu hewan paling cerdas di dunia. Mereka hidup dalam kelompok sosial yang disebut pod, yang biasanya terdiri dari hingga 12 ekor lumba-lumba di tempat-tempat dengan makanan yang melimpah. Pod-pod ini dapat bergabung sementara membentuk kelompok yang jauh lebih besar yang disebut superpod, yang bisa berisi lebih dari 1.000 ekor lumba-lumba. Lumba-lumba berkomunikasi satu sama lain menggunakan berbagai suara, termasuk klik, suara seperti peluit, dan vokalisasi lainnya. Lanjut ke paragraf kedua, yaitu membership in pods is not rigid. Interchange in common dolphins can, however, establish strong social bonds. They will stay with injured or ill individuals, even helping them to breed by bringing them to the surface. If needed, this altruism does not appear to be limited to their own species. The dolphin moko in New Zealand has been observed breeding a female pygmy sperm whale together with her call-off of shallow water where they had strength several times. They have also been seen protecting swimmers from sharks by swimming circles around the swimmers or charging the sharks to make them go away. The explanation: this paragraph explains that membership in dolphin pods is flexible, and dolphins often move between groups. Despite this fluidity, dolphins can form strong social bonds. They show care and support for injured or sick members by staying with them and even helping them breathe by bringing them to the water surface when necessary. Their altruistic behavior is not limited to their own species. For example, a dolphin named Moko in New Zealand was observed helping a female pygmy sperm whale and her calf escape from shallow water where they had become stranded multiple times. Dolphins have also been seen protecting swimmers from sharks by swimming in circles around them or changing at the sharks to drive them away. Paragraf ini menjelaskan bahwa keanggotaan dalam kelompok lumba-lumba bersifat fleksibel. Dalam lumba-lumba sering berpindah antar kelompok. Meskipun demikian, mereka dapat membentuk ikatan sosial yang kuat. Lumba-lumba menunjukkan perhatian dan dukungan kepada anggota yang terluka atau sakit dengan tetap berada di dekat mereka dan bahkan membantu mereka bernapas dengan membawa mereka ke permukaan air jika diperlukan. Perilaku altruistik ini tidak terbatas hanya pada spesies mereka sendiri. Seekor lumba-lumba bernama Moko di Selandia Baru pernah diamati membantu seekor paus sperma kerdil betina bersama anaknya keluar dari perairan dangkal, di mana mereka terdampar beberapa kali. Lumba-lumba juga pernah melihat melindungi berenang dari hiu dengan berenang mengelilingi perenang atau menyerang hiu agar menjauh. Paragraf terakhir yaitu dolphins also display culture something long believed to be unique to humans. In May 2005, a discovery in Australia found Indo-Pacific wetland dolphin Tursiops adults teaching their young to ask tools. They cover their snouts with sponges to protect them while foraging, looking or searching for food or provisions, using sponges as mouth protection as well as other transmitted behavior proves dolphins' intelligence. This knowledge is mostly transferred by mothers to daughters. The explanation: this paragraph highlights that dolphins exhibit culture, a trait once thought to be exclusive to humans. In May 2005, research in Australia disclosed that Indo-Pacific waters dolphins to ships adults teach their young how to ask tools, especially these dolphins cover their shoulders with sponges to protect them while searching for food. The use of sponges as protective tools along with other alert behaviors further down demonstrates the intelligence of dolphins. This knowledge is mainly passed from mothers to their daughters. Paragraf ini menekankan bahwa lumba-lumba menunjukkan adanya budaya, sebuah sifat yang dulu dianggap hanya dimiliki oleh manusia. Pada Mei 2005, para peneliti Australia menemukan bahwa lumba-lumba hidung botol Indo-Pasifik mengajarkan anak-anak mereka cara menggunakan alat secara khusus. Lumba-lumba ini menutupi moncongnya dengan spons untuk melindungi saat mencari makanan. Penggunaan spons sebagai alat pelindung serta perilaku lain yang diturunkan secara turun-temurun membuktikan kecerdasan lumba-lumba. Pengetahuan ini sebagian besar ditransfer dari ibu ke anak perempuan mereka. Sekian dari saya. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.